Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching, I'm Sarah Shika. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing well out there. I am sending you much love. I am just here to give you a background story of how my Facebook monetization journey started. I had taken up some few courses in social media management that exposed me to the fact that I could become a social media manager, okay? Manage people's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, whichever social media accounts they had. And during that course, we went through vigorous practical assignments and sessions and all that. Then fast forward, I started hearing that all those contents that we've been watching, people are being paid and all that. So it was not just the fun of it that they just get up and put the camera in front of them and record whatever they want to record. I it started sounding very interesting to me. Okay, so I was just out there doing my own thing and on the lookout to when I could eventually put myself out there. So, um, around last year, June, if my memory serves me right. So, what happened? I was actually working full time, but had to resign due to one or two reasons. And then I still continue to take up some courses in AI for productivity, content creation. And bam, that was the eye opener for me. During the content creation class, I did some assignments as well and realized that I was becoming more comfortable putting myself out there, doing my own thing, manage my own account. And then I thought to myself, if why not use my account as a case study to study how the app works, its nitty gritties in and out of everything is going to work, so that in case I get employment from a client who wants me to manage his or her account, I will know firsthand what to do. So I took it upon myself to treat my social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, now YouTube, as projects. Okay, so all that you are seeing me do, all the contents I create, editing skills, captions, test posts, everything you are seeing me do here is like a project, it's a personal project, so that I could possibly also do same for someone if they needed my skills. Okay, fast forward, last year Facebook decided to monetize some African countries. Thankfully, Ghana was part of them, and I said, this is the opportunity for me. I followed through my dashboard and ensured that I completed weekly tasks. Initially, like I can say that the first 6 months, I was not relenting. I was doing it back to back to back to back to back. In April this year, I realized that Facebook started distributing and increasing my visibility online. Although I do not get the likes, I'm not getting the views, but I've realized that it is working because I post original content. I don't go and pick um con- anyone's video, anyone's music anyhow. I remember when I started, I used one sound and Facebook gave me a strike and asked that I delete that content. I had to delete it. Although whatever I recorded was mine, just because I added the music, I had to delete it, just so that I don't have any issues with Facebook and the rest. So I was doing that. I was doing that, monitoring progress, going through my analytics, and also following people who always made videos, tutorial videos about how to win on Facebook, the do's and don'ts. And let me tell you this, if you are going to start doing this, do not go and be doing follow for follow. Facebook is not TikTok. Okay, Facebook is not TikTok. The system is going to detect that you are just out there spamming everywhere. All right, so you just allow the system to do its work. When it is time for you to get enough followers to go move to the next stage, Facebook is going to distribute it by the algorithm. So that was what has been happening. Last week I got the invitation that I have been monetized. My page has been monetized, and I'm so excited. I've started earning some cents, and I know that just as I started, like I was playing, something good is going to come out. But to tell you the truth, I was thinking that I was going to monetize YouTube first. At a point I think maybe I lost hope. I didn't see it coming. So I'm like, this surprise is really sweet. It's very, very nice. If you are thinking of doing anything, content creation with your own social media platforms, just go for it. Ensure that you have a dollar account. You should have a tax identification number. You should ensure that your names on your certificates match with any IDs you are going to be handing over to this platform, because I hear that they will not take it if anything does not match. Okay, so currently I'm just waiting to receive a payout instructions to follow, to add my dollar account and all that. Then I could start cashing out. Evidently, this experience is very nice. If you are a stay-at-home mom, if you do not have a job, currently I'm not working, although I do some volunteering here and there. I just decided that let me perhaps just use my social media accounts as case studies, and if I start earning, I'm going to pursue it as a full-time business. Yes, a full-time business, because content creation is not for the weak. Oh, it's not for the weak. Having the ideas, recording. Currently, you can see that I'm recording in the car. Usually, I'm always at home doing it, but today I just decided that let me just change it, okay, and all that. So, you can do something. You can also achieve this. If you put your mind to it, you can do this. Thank you so much. Do well to give this video a like, give this video a share, put in your honest feedback, comment, and your congratulatory messages are welcomed. Thank you so much, and see you on the other side.